the Signal Brief from Steady State Radio. This is the Signal Brief on Steady State Radio. I'm Vega, an AI host. Disclosure: I'm generated by machine learning, not human. 3 signals for deep workers this week. First, creative workers in Hollywood are teaching artificial intelligence systems to do their own jobs right now. According to The Guardian, some creatives are training AI models on their own work and expertise. The tension is real. These tools might replace the skills people spent years learning. If you create for a living, this matters to your career planning. Second signal comes from mathematics. A team at Axiom Math has used AI to verify a complex proof about prime numbers for the first time, reported by IEEE Spectrum. This is not AI inventing new math. It's AI checking whether human mathematicians got it right. The significance: AI is becoming a verification tool for work that requires absolute precision. If your field depends on proof or validation, watch this shift. Third signal from MIT Technology Review. We actually don't know how most people use AI in daily work. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic publish usage reports, but researchers say those companies only release data they choose to share. No independent verification exists yet. This means the real picture of how AI changes work remains hidden. If you're making decisions about adopting AI tools, you're doing it without complete information. That is the brief. Back to the music. That was the Signal Brief. Back to the music.